Hello children, how are you guys? Hope you're all fine and safe. Okay, children, in the last video we studied about the respiration in cockroach. You remember that, right? Yeah, and in this class we are going to study about the respiration in earthworm. Okay, this earthworm is a small creature in the animal kingdom. Earthworm comes first and then it is cockroach. Okay, earthworm belong to the class, phylum Annelida, and earthworm belongs to arthropoda. Cockroach belong to arthropoda. Arthropoda is a table or the phylum, which is one step ahead than the earthworm. Okay, and children, I think you're all aware of it that the earthworm respire through their skin. They have the moist skin. Now, have you ever touched the earthworm? Maybe when you put it inside your kitchen garden or inside your agricultural field, when you're introducing it to the field for the menu's sake, have you ever noticed it? Okay, try in the next time when you find out an earthworm, just touch and see and feel. It'll be slippery, it'll be, it'll be moist. Okay, so the moist skin, the slimy, moist skin, when we feel, when we touch, that skin help them in the respiration. Since their skin is very thin, the skin helps in the exchange of gases. Okay, and if you take the frog is a amphibian. It is an vertebrate. Okay, and they show dwell nature. They live in water and also they live in land. And when these frog live in water, they breathe through their skin. Even in the case of frog, the skin will be slippery, it will be moist. Okay, and I have fear, like practically I've touched and felt it, because in our degree and in our master degree we used to cut the animals and do the decision. In our days we were cutting the animals and we were doing the practical activity, not like nowadays. Okay, so their skin in the case of frog and also in the case of earthworm, the skin help them in respiration because they are moist and slippery. Okay, and if you see the vertebrate, the first formed vertebrate according to the animal kingdom is fish. This fish live in water. I know we all know that, right? Fish always live in water. Okay, and what help them in breathing when they are in water? That's what we're going to see now. Okay, if you closely observe the fish which is there in your aquarium, if you have an aquarium, you own an aquarium, just closely observe the fishes. Okay, you can find something just next to the operculum, that is just next to the head. You'll find something opening and closing, like frill it will be. That's nothing but the gills. Okay, they have a projection called as gills. Okay, just it is embedded in the skin itself, which help them in respiration. Okay, the gills which is present in the fish, it may be 3 flaps or 4 flaps, which helps them in respiration, through which the oxygen enters inside, and the same passage through which the carbon dioxide also moves out. Okay, in the case of fish, the respiration takes place in gills. Okay, in cockroach it is what? Trachea and spiracle. If you take earthworm and frog, they are moist skin. Okay, but if in the case of frog, they have lungs. When they come to the land, they'll be breathing through the lungs. Okay, and in the case of fish, they'll be breathing through the gills. Okay, gills help them in breathing. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.